the two main products are the trading platform and the swap platform. I'll start with giving a demo of the swap platform. So here's the main interface. You just choose the coin A and then coin B. So just choose Ethereum, press swap, enter the address. It has to be a specific format or it will give an error saying, please enter a valid address. So once you put the correct address format, then you go to the next step by pressing confirm. Agree to all the details and the specifics of the transaction. If everything looks correct, you then create the order. Then it gets saved to our database. And this is the details of the transaction. So you pay this amount to this. This is our server. This is our internal address. So this is the address that the user pays their Bitcoin into, and this is the address that we pay the user's Ethereum into. So this is all automated. Once a user makes a deposit, it gets automatically detected. It automatically confirms of which one then we exchange it into the Ethereum, and we send it to the user all automatically. So yeah, basically that's how the swap platform works. We have a light and dark button that works on all pages. We have an app on both Google Play and the App Store. And yeah, so now the second product is the trading platform. And this works like any other trading platform. You can choose the market that you want. So for instance, let's do ETH to BTC. You generally deposit a balance after signing in, and you have the option to choose from a market order, limit order, or stop loss. So yeah, sign-in page is fully set up using AWS Cognito. And yeah, that's about it. Thank you for your time.